Alright guys, so I do want to actually point out they do give you a screwdriver and there are screws in here. You have this set up. Now you guys can mount this in different positions however you want. That's going to be up to you guys. So overall, however you want to mount the legs, however you want to mount this, you can adjust the legs in the position so those legs can wrap around here if you want them to. There's a couple different ways you can do it. But overall, very easy to put together. Very nice. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So for today's video, we are unboxing this baby gym playmat. So this is great for 3+ months or older. It is a full gym mat. You can adjust the angle of the music keyboard, colorful hanging toys. You have cross arc design, and it's a comfy and round play mat, so your child will not be uncomfortable. Alright guys, so first off, inside here, this is the play mat. So there is Velcro, and it looks like the Velcro could be used for placing on the carpet, but also when you fold this up, you can Velcro it together. So that is definitely a really cute play mat. It is soft, so it feels almost like there's cotton inside here, and the fabric on top almost feels like silk. So guys, this is the music keyboard. It looks like you will need a screwdriver, and we'll check what batteries you guys need. But you have 4 buttons. Well, you actually have a lot of different things that they can play with on it. So my friends, it takes 3 AA batteries. So guys, you have 2 volume modes up here. Once the batteries are put in, again, it takes 3 AA batteries. They do not provide the battery. 2 different modes here. You're gonna have off, then you're gonna have it on, and then you're gonna have louder. So there's 2 different loud modes. Once you turn it on, you can press either button, it lights up, and if you don't press anything, it does also make sounds as well. You can spin it. There's a button that you can press here and it does different sounds. It spins, so you can spin this little piece here. Alright guys, in here you have different rattles and different toys that are going to be hanging down. So we're going to go ahead and set that up for you guys, and then you just have all the brackets and everything. Looks like most of all the stuff just simply fits right in. It does. Alright, so the best way to set it up is like this, upside down, and then what you're going to do is you're going to turn everything inside out. So this mat is going to get turned inside out because right now this is upside down. So just like that. Now it's right side up. And again, underneath here, you just put them, this goes straight across like that. This piece goes straight across just like that. But overall, very easy to put together. Very nice. I think your kids are going to love it. Now over here, all the extra toys, you're going to decide if you want to, what you want to put up, what you want to hang. And you can hang stuff from these all around it at all different positions. So whatever you guys want to do, it's up to you. Whatever your child likes.